channel here, and today we're going to do some tacos. We're doing chicken tacos, and we're going to have them like the Mexican street tacos that you see in the food trucks. So first of all, we're going to get some chicken breasts. I've got some pretty thin ones because there's only a few people in this family. So we're just going to have, I'm going to take these and put them in a bowl, and then I'm going to marinate them. And the longer you marinate them, of course, the more flavor you'll have. We're going to cook these tonight, so I'm going to marinate them for about 6 hours. You can marinate them overnight, but here we go with the recipe. I've got paprika, 1 teaspoon. I've got chili powder, tablespoon, cumin, oregano. We're going to use some garlic. You can use a clove. I've just got that kind that squeezes out. I'm going to shake a blob in there. And then we're going to put a little splash of lime juice and some olive oil. And then we're going to just let it sit. And when we come back, we're going to fire up our grill. We're going to serve it with some warm tortillas and some avocado, with a little bit of tomato and lettuce, and it's going to be delish. So we'll see you in a little while. Okay, here we are. We're going to put this chicken on. See, it's been marinating, and we are ready to grill it. I'm going to spray a little bit of Pam on here, and now we're going to put it on. Okay, they are on, and like I said earlier, these are thin pieces of breast, so it's only going to take about 6 minutes for these to cook, 3 minutes per side, and depending on what cut you decide upon, you'll need to get the different times. A food thermometer is always a good thing to use as well. But because these are so thin, 3 minutes per side is about it. I'll see y'all in a minute. Well, they've been on there for 6 minutes. They're perfect. I'm going to take them off now, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen for some taco making fun. All right, we're back in my kitchen. The chicken has been grilled. We've got some tortillas here. We've made some homemade guacamole. We've got all kinds of delicious treats to go on top of our tacos. We're kind of on a diet here, so we are using our flour tortillas, and we're also going to make salads out of the chicken. For a real authentic feel, you can get the small corn tortillas and fry them up in a skillet and just hold them. These were just going to be a little bit bigger, but we're all set for a really fun night of tacos. Yum! Here's the finished product. Enjoy grilling, and make sure you stop by the branch, and we'll be glad to get you some books on some tips on Mexican food or just grilling tips. See you soon at the Lilburn branch. Bye. All right, I'm back at the branch, and I just pulled a sample of some fun cookbooks. Got some with some Mexican recipes, and then some books on grilling. We have a great collection here at the branch, at any of our 15 branches. During the pandemic, hop online, request books, and we'll run them out to your car. Enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching.